Hey, what's up guys? Welcome into For the Low. My name is Spencer and today I've got this super cool vintage Technics cassette player to show you. The model number of it is RS-M235X. But before we get into it, did you know that you can get cassette decks that can hold up to 6 cassettes and it can exchange through them? Yeah, they are pretty sweet, but if you didn't know that, now you do. Let's go ahead and talk about this. On the rear panel, you have a line input for recording and a line output for playback. So to connect it, you'll just plug in your audio cable to the output and you can connect another cable through the recording input if you want to do some recording. So we'll go ahead and power it up, eject it. So on the front panel of it, you have your power button right there, and then an eject button, and then you have record, pause, record mute, fast forward. If you hold it, it'll do a fast forward, or you can hit stop and it will fast forward by itself. And then you have rewind. And then down here is your counter. You can reset that with that button. And then there's a timer switch here. You can set it to record, off, or play. And then you can turn on and off Dolby C and Dolby B. And then you have a out function right there. And then there's a DBX tape and disc switch right here. And then you have your input level adjustment right here for adjusting the volume of the recording. And then you can adjust the balance to the left or to the right. And then there's a phones jack for connecting some headphones to it if you want to use headphones. And then there's a mic left and a mic right input for recording as well. And this features a 2-motor MX head. That's pretty much all there is for this Technics cassette player and recorder. Something else that's nice about it is it does have a pretty slim design. Most cassette decks are a little bigger than this one. But if you want to order one, you can give us a call or check it out on our online store.